just showered and everything. It's like 7 o'clock at night, 7:30ish, and it's like 2 or 3 hours before I go to bed. I usually go to bed at like 9:30. But today's video is a very exciting one, so I could not put it off. I'm doing an unboxing, my first very own camera. I am super excited because I've been wanting a camera for so long. If you have watched my past videos, so my mic goes in and out of my videos because I don't know why exactly, but I am using my iPhone 8 Plus. I wanted to upgrade for a long time just because that microphone really irritates me. And so I finally took the plunge and purchased a camera. But yeah, so I will link the bundle I got below in the description box just in case you guys wanted to check it out. I got it from Amazon. It is a Canon G7 Mark II, I believe. Just wanted to get a simple camera. I really am a simple person. Like, I don't want anything that is too complicated to use, that I have to like buy lenses and detach them and whatnot. I'm gonna just try to speed this up so that I can just use the camera because I'm super excited. I bought this on Amazon because it was a little bit cheap, not cheaper, but it's a better deal buying this whole bundle rather than buying the camera itself, just because for like $15 more it came with like a tripod, a battery, charger, an SD card. So I'm really hoping that I made the right choice by purchasing this, because it also, I was reading reviews and it seemed to me that be refurbished, because I think the seller that I bought it from, and I think like these sellers in general that sell the bundles are international sellers, like from China or something, I don't know. But yeah, so I was kind of nervous because I saw reviews that said the camera box came dented, and also that the camera bag was different than what was advertised. But that's pretty much the only like downsides. And also, this is my first, baby startup camera. So I basically bought this camera because I want to be more invested into my YouTube, and I won't feel bad because the audio won't suck on my future videos. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and open this. So I got my trusty pocket knife. I use this to open all my packages. And the company got it on Amazon is called Buzz Photo. Oh, and this actually came from New York. And so hopefully, like, it's fine. I haven't sanitized this, so I kind of feel that I'm gonna get some hand sanitizer real quick. Alright guys, so I grabbed my hand sanitizer. So it looks to be like packed pretty well. No dents on it, which is good. It looks brand new. Oh, and there is like Chinese writing on this. Yeah, but hopefully like it's fine, it works well. That's all I'm really praying for, guys. In the bundle, there is a camera bag. It's compact and small. Professional series starter kit, cleaning cloth, screen protectors, cleaning spray, mini tabletop tripod, ooh, and 5 cotton cleaning swabs. So I also wanted to get this bundle because, as you can see, like, there's so much that it comes with. I just want to look at the tripod. So the cotton swabs are literally cotton, or not cotton, Q-tips. So that's nice, I guess. It's the mini tripod. Interesting. Although, like, I don't know if this would hold up the camera. It seems very, it's very small, so I just don't know if it's like sturdy enough to hold the camera, but we'll see. I also came with this tripod. This looks really nice, and I definitely want to see if this can like rise. I probably can't. It doesn't seem like I don't think it can. But that's okay. Like, I think it's really nice. Like, it looks sturdy. I can easily put it like on a desk and record like that. It's very flexible, so I'm excited to be able to use that. What is this? This is a rechargeable battery, a charger cable for the camera, and I don't know what these look like, cases for maybe SD cards, which I didn't know that would come with that. And I don't know what this is. It looks like you could screw in the camera to this, so I don't know what that is. Maybe like a hand strap, I guess. I don't know. And finally, an SD card. This is a 64GB SD card. I don't even know if I should put this in before I start recording. I probably should, but yeah. I also like really wanted this bundle because it came with an SD card rather than buying the camera for $4.99 and then getting a separate SD card for like $30 or something like that, because probably if I bought it from Best Buy, the camera and the SD card would be the same price as the bundle, and I just thought that like all the stuff that it came with was a little bit more worth it. So we're gonna go ahead and open the camera now. Comes with a manual. See if it says to like insert the SD card. Sorry if I sound dumb, like I've never owned a camera before, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just open the camera now. So it also comes with a, I guess this is, so a charging cord, and I don't know what the difference is between these two. Power block is a little bit bigger. This is just a regular one. I don't know what this is. Oh, probably the battery. Ooh, oh my gosh, it feels so nice. Ooh. It's so like sleek. I'm afraid to like touch anything. I already pulled the viewfinder back, but I'm like a little bit afraid to flip it up. So we're just gonna read the manual, because my luck, I would definitely break it or something. Oh. So it's not turning on, probably because I don't have a battery in. So let's just, I was gonna remove this, good thing I didn't. Okay, I don't, okay. Oh, okay, it clicked. We're gonna turn it on. See, and the time, it says it seems like fine. It looks very nice off the bat. It says no memory card, so I'm just gonna put that in. Okay, here we go. I punctured a hole in the little plastic film, and why? Of course this would happen to me. Okay, all right, I'm almost there. All right, so we're gonna put it into the camera. Okay, so it's touchscreen. That is so cool. I'm just gonna figure out how to control the viewfinder, and then I will go ahead and switch over to filming on that camera and just show you like a side-by-side comparison of the camera and the quality. But I guess because I did it this way, so you can actually flip it upwards. Oh, which is so cool. All right, let's go ahead and start recording side by side. So it is now recording, and I am super excited. Off the bat, it kind of looks like the camera is clearer. I don't know, I always thought my iPhone was pretty solid, but I do see that the camera is more clear. I kind of want to see what the audio sounds like. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera and just, I guess, play it back. Alright, so it sounds pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and stop filming on my iPhone, and then I'm gonna film the rest of the video, my outro, on my camera, and then yeah, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts there. So yeah, just keep watching. Hi guys, update. So I've been playing around with the tripods, and they're pretty sturdy. I'm surprised by this mini one. It really is sturdy. It's dense enough too so that it doesn't like tip over. And this one, it took me a while to figure it out. Something just goes on in my head where like I was trying to twist the camera onto the tripod instead of twisting the tripod to fit to the camera, if that makes sense. So I was like just swiveling my camera to the right so that it would tighten onto the tripod, but in reality you're supposed to twist the tripod and not the camera. So it took me a while to figure out that, but this is actually pretty sturdy. It doesn't move up and down, which is fine. And it's also like a little bit higher than this smaller one, which is nice. The only thing that I don't like about it is that the top part, it's like rubber. It did like leave kind of like a residue from unscrewing my camera, kind of like eraser shavings. So my camera just died while I was recording that last bit. So that's the only downside of the tripod that I didn't like, is that it like sheds. But that's pretty much it. The residue was like easy to like wipe off. But yeah, I think so far the bundle from Amazon is great. I had no problems whatsoever. I am gonna start like trying to learn the camera and playing around with it so that I can continue to make more advanced videos. I hope you guys are excited for my audio to just be crisp and clear. I'm super excited because that always annoyed me and I always felt super bad about it. I also know that this camera can upload via Wi-Fi, so I'm also excited about that. But yeah, final thoughts. It's such a great deal for like all the stuff that you get in this package. But yeah, that is really all I have, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are excited for my next videos as I am. Yeah, again, I'm gonna link the link to this camera and this bundle down below, so make sure to check that out. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. It was a better deal to because I definitely touched my eye.